Hi guys, design a living room with a partition. Add both functionally and style to the space. When loom with a size of gold, such as create a scene of white without sacrifice opening. It's important to focus on material textile and overall fall of the room. Living room designed with partition. A well planned partition can redefine your living room at both provide and break between space. Partition often and functionally a way to select often different area add such as the room space from the design area or create a choosy cost for red or relax. Let explore some design concrete connect and material that can be used to create effect divider glass partition glass partition are idea for main interest. They follow of light with stood divide the space. This other work well for simple living room, warm interest, and open foil or clean glass can be used depend on the level of provide for a touch of elegant design or palette can add personal to the partition outdoor over while the room. Shape unit functional and design. Unit open. Shape unit as partition is an innovation, a way to divide the space while also add story and display other. This guide for partition allow you to keep book, plants, decoration, project, or even art price vibrant and both style. Open wall as is perfect. Those how went to material functionally without clothes often select of the room. If you are look for a fixable cost effect solved can be a perfect choose for partition or living room, then are easy to install and can be pulled back when you need the room to be open or draw close when you want some depend on the fix the design both into the room or become a statement function. Gardening wall and plants.